Kepala Pelatih Indonesia, Kluivert, mengatakan hasil menghadapi Timnas Australia akan berbeda jika tendangan penalti Kevin Dix masuk ke gawang lawan.
Unfortunately, of course, the result. I think in the beginning of the game, we did a very good job in pressing high, exactly on the right side where we wanted to press, because we knew on the left side they have the good players, and from my point of view, it went very good. After that, we received a penalty. If you shoot the penalty in, it will be a totally different match, of course. But unfortunately, Kevin shot the ball in the post, and from that moment we changed something in our minds or something. But we didn't play our play anymore. But I think that during the game, I think that we fought like lions. We never dropped down our heads. But unfortunately, I'm very disappointed, of course, for the result. Not only for us, for the people, but for everybody who is supporting Indonesia.